Okay, today we'll discuss the problems of similar triangles from NCERT book. And these problems are related to similarity theorems. You know there are three similarity theorems: S, side, side, side; A, angle, angles; and third one is side, angle, side similarity theorems. You are aware of the statement of these symbols, triple S, and SAS. Now these theorems will be used when we are doing to solve the problems. So first, read the problems carefully and make the figure if figure is given, and denote everything from the figure on your copy, and read the question again and look at the figures and try to find out what are the givens, what should be suitable relation will be applied to get the required result. Okay, now open the book, exercise 6.3. Question number first and question number second we have already done in earlier classes. Today we'll take the question number 3. Okay. Now write the question from your NCERT books in your maths copy. Make the diagram also. Write the diagrams, everything according to questions. Put the letters, angles also. Now question third is diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O using similarity criteria for two triangles so that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Now, you know, in a trapezium, any pair of opposite sides are parallel but not equal. Here, trapezium ABCD is a trapezium in which sides AB and DC are parallel given. Now, diagonals AC and BD, look at the figures. Diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at point O. Now we have to prove OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Okay. Now you have to apply the similarity theorems from figure as well as questions. You have to take two triangles. I will take two triangles. You have to see which you have to prove it. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Now in a figure, check it where is OA and OC and OB and OD. Now to do similar triangles, you need two triangles. So from this relation, you can take two triangles AOB and COD. Okay. Now you are going to do similar of these triangles with the help of given conditions or sufficient properties. Now in triangle AOB and COD, look at the figure here. Now denote the angles by letter 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. What I am telling, you denote in your figure also. Angle ODC, you denote by 1, give arc and put here 1. Angle OCD, denote this angle by 3. Angle OBA, you denote this angle B at B by 2 and angle BAO denote this angle by 4. Because you are denoting these angles by digits 1, 2, 3, then it will be more convenient to understand from figures in easy way how will make the relationship between two triangles. Okay. Now here angle 1 and 2 are equal. Why? Because AB and DC are parallel and BD is a transversal. So apply transversal axioms. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles. Again, AB and DC are parallel given and AC is a transversal. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are also alternate interior angles. Okay. We got corresponding two angles of two triangles are equals. Then you can say by AA similarity theorems, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Understood? To prove the similar triangles, the theorem is AAA, angle similarity relation. But if corresponding two angles of two triangles are coming equal, you can write directly both triangles are congruent by AA similarity theorem, because third angle will be automatically equal by applying angle sum properties of a triangle. So there is no need to take all three corresponding angles of two triangles are equals. If we are taking corresponding two angles of two triangles are equal, then both triangle will be similar. That's why triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Now, by definition of similar triangles, if triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are equal and ratio of corresponding sides of two triangles are also equal. Therefore, you can write by looking the figures OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. These are the corresponding sides of triangles. Now, that is proved. Okay. Any problem from any sides? No. I think everyone understood these problems. If you are serious to understand about these questions. Okay. Now question number 4. Write down the question number 4 from your books on your math copy and make the diagram also. Denote the diagram by letters which are given your figures. So everybody write the questions on your copy, make the figures, and in figures you denote everything, whatever the letters are taken in that given questions. I am reading the question. You look at the question also and figure. In a given figure, OR upon QS, not OR, Q, there is Q, not O, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In a figure you see in triangle PQR, angle 1 and angle 2, which are denoted by 1 and 2 of angles Q and R here, angle 1 and 2 are equal. Now we have to show triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. R. One is a smaller triangle PQS and one is bigger triangles TQR. Both triangles are made on same triangles. ठीक है. Now look at here. Angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 is a smaller triangle PQS and 2 is triangle PQR. So in triangle PQR, take triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. This implies PR is equal to PQ. What should be reason? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. You know, in any triangles, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Means, if you take any triangles or any two angles are opposite angles are equals, then opposite sides will be also equal. You know this theorem in isosceles triangle. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. Therefore, in front of angle 1 side is PR. This implies PR is equal to, in front of angle 2 side will be PQ. Therefore, PR is equal to PQ. Understood? Now here relation is given QR by QS is equal to QT.